Ladies and gentlemen, many times people ask me, how do I stay motivated? How do I stay energized? Because after 20 years, I'm still in training industry and I do not move out from the training industry. Well, the common question is, how do you overcome stress? How do I overcome the overwhelming task? I believe in the new normal, a lot of people are facing changes in personal life and also at work or in business environment. And nobody wants to change if possible. Nobody wants to work from home if possible. Nobody wants to be changing so many things in the new normal, like adapting to the technology or perhaps creating new products and services. Now, change is never comfortable. And ladies and gentlemen, today, if you have 1,000 problems, you have 1,000 tasks to do, you have 1,000 challenges in your life, it will be overwhelming. I am sure it will be. It will be very stressful situation for you and everybody. So the question is, how do you reduce the stress in your life or in your work or in your business? I have a simple formula. The simple formula is break it down to a list of the things to do. Example, you can always write down all the challenges that you have in a very long list, and then you categorize this task, which is easy and difficult. The one that is easy, get it done first. And I can assure you, if you just solve one problem a day, as simple as clean your bedroom, you can solve the second problem the next day, and you can solve the third problem the third day. And what you do after you solve these small problems, you must celebrate your achievement. Celebrating your achievement will give you boost of confidence and make you feel happy, and you'll be very proud of yourself because you have cleaned your bedroom on day 1. You have cleaned the storeroom on day 2. You have fixed the bicycle on day 3. You have cleaned the kitchen on day 4. All these small achievements will give you the juice of confidence. It makes you feel so good and you want to do more, because once you achieve small achievement, you feel you are ready for bigger tasks. What are bigger tasks? Bigger tasks are the tasks that will require more time or effort for you to solve. Example, you are thinking to lose 10 kg. You want to lose 10 kg and you know you can't get it done in 1 month's time. You need a longer period like 4 months to 5 months to reduce 10 kg. They will need momentum. They will need a longer period. So ladies and gentlemen, however, if you do small success, if you do small tasks first, you will be very ready, mentally ready to confront and overcome bigger challenge in your life later on. So life is a journey, life is a marathon. Do not rush into solving all your problems at once, but take it one problem each day. And you will find that you are ready, you are at ease with yourself, and you are comfortable to solve one problem a day. But solving the problem is just one part. Celebrating your success is very important. So if you ask me, how do I celebrate my success? Every day after work around 6 p.m., I give myself a celebration. How do I make myself happy? For me, I will go to the park and I walk. I bring my family with me. We just walk for about 30 minutes and we just enjoy the green, the scenery, and we sweat, and then we feel better. Then we come home and we have a nice dinner. So that's how I celebrate my little achievement. If it's a Friday evening and I know I've been working hard from Monday to Friday, and Friday night is my movie night, Saturday night is my movie night. That's how I celebrate my small achievement. Whatever makes you happy, even though like watching a movie or going to the park or do your gym, whatever that makes you happy, or eating your favorite food, that is important, because this is celebrating your achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, if you celebrate your achievement, you will have the motivation. You will have the fuel. It's like the fuel pouring into a car. and you constantly enable the car or vehicle to move. So you need to constantly fill in the fuel. Ladies and gentlemen, in our human achievement, we need to celebrate small success, daily celebration. That will inspire you, motivate you, and challenge you to go for your bigger task, bigger challenge. So here, my name is Jackson Ng. Thank you for watching this video. If you find my video useful, please share with your friends. Thank you, and I see you in person one day.